welcome to Mickey's e-learning school, where you learn, listen, speak, read and write. Hey kids, I am your teacher. After learning 2-letter words, we will learn 3-letter words. With the help of vowels A, E, I, O, U, we can make 3-letter words. 3-letter words can be introduced with the help of CVC pattern. It means consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Okay, this is CVC pattern. So now we will take first vowel A. With the help of this vowel, we can start 3-letter words. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pen. R-A-N, ran. V-A-N, van. D-A-M, dam. R-A-M, ram. H-A-M, ham. J-A-M, jam. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dead. F-A-D, fad. H-A-D, had. M-A-D, mad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. C-A-P, cap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. R-A-P, rap. S-A-P, sap. T-A-P, tap. B-A-G, bag. G-A-G, gag. R-A-G, rag. T-A-G, tag. W-A-G, wag. Now vowel E. W-E-B, web. B-E-D, bed. F-E-D, fed. L-E-D, led. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, wed. B-E-G, bag. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, man. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. B-E-T, bet. G-E-T, get. J-E-T, jet. L-E-T, let. M-E-T, mat. N-E-T, net. S-E-T, set. V-E-T, wet. G-E-M, gem. P-E-T, pet. Y-E-T, yet. Now vowel I. F-I-T, fit. W-I-G, wig. T-I-P, tip. S-I-T, sit. J-I-M, gym. P-I-G, pig. P-I-T, pit. B-I-G, big. R-I-M, rim. R-I-G, rig. H-I-T, hit. H-I-P, hip. D-I-G, dig. D-I-P, dip. L-I-P, lip. N-I-P, nip. N-I-B, nib. P-I-P, pip. R-I-P, rip. S-I-P, sip. H-I-M, him. T-I-M, tim. B-I-D, bid. D-I-D, did. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. R-I-D, rid. F-I-G, fig. G-I-G, gig. J-I-G, jig. W-I-G, wig. B-I-N, win. D-I-N, din. F-I-N, fin. K-I-N, kin. P-I-N, pin. S-I-N, sin. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. B-I-T, bit. F-I-T, fit. Now vowel O. C-O-P, cop. H-O-P, hop. M-O-P, mop. P-O-P, pop. T-O-P, top. D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. H-O-G, hog. J-O-G, jog. L-O-G, log. P-O-T, pot. N-O-T, knot. D-O-T, dot. C-O-T, cot. G-O-T, got. H-O-T, hot. B-O-B, bob. C-O-B, cob. L-O-B, lob. M-O-B, mob. R-O-B, rob. S-O-B, sob. C-O-D, cod. N-O-D, nod. P-O-D, pod. Last vowel U. C-U-B, cub. D-U-B, dub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub. S-U-B, sub. T-U-B, tub. B-U-G, bug. D-U-G, dug. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. T-U-G, tug. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, nun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. G-U-T, gut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. Our focus on watch, listen, speak, read and write. Kids, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.